Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. I'm today sharing beautiful and easy Christmas craft ideas. These crafts are simple, creative and perfect for decorating your home for Christmas. Let's get started. Look at this lovely Christmas craft. It is simple but look beautiful. You can make it with easy materials at home. The next idea is perfect for beginners. It is quick to make and adds a warm Christmas feeling to your home. This decoration has a clean and elegant design. You can use different colors to make your Christmas theme. Here is another creative craft idea. It is budget friendly and fun to make your with family and friends. This handmade decoration is perfect for your Christmas table, shelves or walls. Small details make it look very special. The next craft is colorful and bright. It can make any room feel more festive and cheerful. This DIY idea is easy to customize. Add ribbons, glitters, beads or small ornaments to make unique. Here's another beautiful Christmas decoration. It looks expensive, but it is made with simple materials. This craft is a great way to recycle old items and turn into beautiful Christmas decoration. The next idea is cute and creative. It is also be a lovely handmade gift for someone who loves. These decorations give your home a cozy holiday feeling. Handmade crafts always make Christmas more special. Now let's look at another easy idea. Even it is your new crafting, you can make this without any problem. This Christmas decoration is simple, neat and perfect for any corner of your home. The next craft bring a classic Christmas style. It look beautiful on table, fireplace or Christmas trees. Here is another beautiful, wonderful DIY project. It is fun, relaxing and enjoyable to make. Every craft in this video is a very special, affordable and full of Christmas spirit. Try your favorite idea and enjoy creating something beautiful. I hope this Christmas craft ideas inspire you to decorate your home in a creative way. Handmade decoration always bring extra love and happiness to the holiday season. Thank you for watching this slideshow of Christmas craft ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own Christmas decorations. My lovely friend, which craft is your favorite today? Tell me in the slide number or describe in the comments. I love reading your comments. May I mention your name in my next video? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps my channel grow and inspire me to create more beautiful Christmas craft ideas videos every day. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay creative, stay happy and enjoy the magic of Christmas. See you in the next video. I really love colors used in this decoration. They make it look warm and festive. This idea is perfect for you want beautiful decorations without spending a lot of money. You only need a few simple craft supplies to make this lovely project. This design is clean, neat and perfect for Christmas home decor. You can make this craft with your kids, family and friends and enjoy the holiday together. Handmade decoration always make Christmas feel more special and full of love. This idea is great for decorating your living room, bedroom and dining table or Christmas tree. You can also give this handmade craft as a gift to someone special. Try adding small lights, ribbons, bows or glitter to make it even more beautiful. Every little detail make this craft look unique and creative. I hope these ideas give you a new inspiration for your Christmas decoration. Simple craft can create wonderful holiday memories. Making Christmas craft is a fun way to relax and enjoy the festive season. Which craft would you like first? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you once again for watching until the end. Keep crafting, keep smiling, keep enjoying every moment of this beautiful holiday season. Christmas is almost here. I hope this video make your Christmas more beautiful, colorful, joyful. Take care, goodbye, stay blessed.